Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. Okay, guys, I'm going to talk about the Fibonacci retracement levels indicator in this video. So, guys, I am testing it from last 3 to 4 weeks. It's giving me very good results, and I have analyzed it in a very deeply, and it's giving a very good results. That's why I want to share this strategy with you on my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, if you want to get this indicator, then simply email me. This is the free indicator that has no price, so you can just email me to get this indicator. But the main purpose of the video is to give you the understanding that how you can use the Fibonacci retracement levels indicator in a right way. So guys, as you can see, there are different levels on my chart: 0% level, 23.6% level, 38.2, 50% and 61.8%. So how to use them? So for example, let's say if you look at the Euro USD current chart, then it has moved up, and the Fibonacci retracement level has told us that the highest peak of the market for today is 0% is 1133.35. So whenever we see that when the market touches the 0% level, or if it just goes a little bit above and then reverse, then this could be a sign of a trend reversal. So if you look at here now, Euro USD, after touching this 0% level, the market is making the downward pattern. Now the next target can be 23.6, which is 1.13099. So guys, basically this indicator is used when you are going to take swing trading, and this is only advisable for swing trading. However, you can do also scalping with this indicator when the market is in the middle. Let me explain you about the scalping too, but let me explain first so that you people can understand that how the levels work. Okay, now let's move to Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, so you can see we have a significant increase in the price on Great Britain Pound JPY today, and it has touched 143.013. That's the 100% level. So the Fibonacci is telling us that this could be the possible reversal time for the market. Okay guys, one thing sorry, just make sure if it breaks that level, if it makes another peak, then it will readjust its 100% level up to that level. So it also repaints, but still it's very useful. You can use it for the swing trading. So let me explain how this works. So at 100% level, you can see Great Britain Pound JPY is getting the rejection. So maybe the drop can come further, and it is going to, it may be going to hit 61.8%. So whenever you see that the market is at the 100% level or 0% level, then you can take the sell chances here. Or whenever you see that at 0% level here, like that was the lowest peak of the market. So what happened? After touching the lowest peak, the market started to gain up, and then it touched the 23% level. Now, how to do scalping within these levels that you can see in the middle? So it's very easy. Whenever you see that the candle is closed above the particular level, like this is the 23.6 level, and the market hourly candle was closed above that level. So you can take a chance into the buy position, and you can test the next level, that is 38.2. But later on, what happened? It again breaks the 38.2 level, and the candle was closed above the 50% level. So there was again a chance to do scalping, and then you can go into scalping, and then it again moved up, and then it closes above 61.8% level, and then it has tested the 100% level. So this is how, whenever you're going to take a swing trade, then you will take the swing trade at 100% or 0% level. But whenever you are going to do scalping, then you can do scalping within these levels. Now guys, I'm going to attach the 200 Forex pip system so that we can understand that how you can also use it. I'm just going to highlight the main indicator, that's the pip center. So now look at here, from the oversold levels, the market was pumping up. There was a very good signal that the market was closed above the 23% level. So buy chances were on. Market has moved up. Let's attach the scalper so that it can also help us with this. Okay, now look at here. At this level, when the market was at just above the 0% level, the scalper also pointed you to buy the pair, and then the market straight forward moved up. And moreover, I have highlighted one thing about the scalper, that if it gives buy and red and white signals in the middle, then do not trust this one, because if it gives the red signal in the top red boundary, then you can sell and when it gives the white signal in the lower red boundary, then you can buy. But however, just make sure that the scalper lags at one time, that let's say if it gives the red signal at the oversold levels here, so we are not going to trust this one, because we already know that the market has already gone so much down, so there is no need to buy the pair, no need to sell the pair anymore. So this is how we will use it. Okay. Moreover, guys, you know that about the dotted line, middle dotted line, the hourly candle was closed above the dotted middle line, so there was a chance that the market can go further up. And then also, if you look at the level, then it was closed above the 50% level. So guys, you can use this Fibonacci retracement indicator with my system that I have provided you. So these combinations can be very helpful. This can also help you to take the trade in the middle also. But however, if you ask for my recommendation, then my recommendation is to go for a swing trading that's at 0% level, and that's at 100% level. This is more than beneficial instead of trading in between these levels. However, these levels also work, but just for the safety purpose, I will say that take swing trades, because scalping is very, very hard these days. So try your best to do the swing trading, and I think the things will be in your favor. Okay guys, if you want to get the Fibonacci indicators, simply email me on info@200forexpips.com, and then also subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can request the indicator. I will send the indicator for free. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.